So how we use blank document? So for this explanation, so I'll tap on the plus icon that points, that is positioned at the top right. Okay, so let blank document. Then let me just type a few things to explain my point. How you can clear formatting on Microsoft Word. Okay, so this is the default state of the document, of the text. So I may decide, okay, let me just apply a format on this. Okay, thereby I can decide, okay, let me change the font color. And then here I apply any color of my choice. Okay, green. Alright, so you can see now this text is no longer in its default state of black. So I have applied green. Then how do I clear this formatting I have just applied on it so that it should return back to its default state? What I will do, I just highlight all of them again. Then I tap on the ribbon display option, that is the arrow pointing up by the bottom right. So tap on it. Then I'll tap on the clear formatting command. Okay, as you can see, your text has returned back to its default state. So I have cleared the formatting that was initially applied on it. So you can use it to clear any formatting applied on a text in your document and return it back to the way it's supposed to be or the way it used to be. Okay, so please don't forget, please subscribe to my channel, comment, like, and stay blessed. Stay good. Thank you.